Alright guys, welcome back to my new skateboard show, and today we're going to show you some cool ways to kind of personalize your grip, or one cool way that I'm trying to do it. So the first thing we have is a Lure skate deck from Lure Skateboards. So we're going to take that, we're going to take this bag of stickers, and these stickers will do. Get some cheap ones on Amazon. And then I'm going to take some of this Mob clear grip, and we're going to unfold it on that. We're going to put it over top of that after the stickers are down, and that's going to create a really cool effect on the top of the grip. So yeah, we'll show you guys what's going on later. Alright, so now here's kind of like the final project, the final product. We're going to take the grip over it. The Mod grip, they do have pre-poked holes in it, which I like. It's supposed to help with air pockets. So if it's folded like that, you want to make sure it's smoothed out, obviously, so your grip's going to be as smooth as it can be. Kind of get it lined up where it needs to be. If you get a pre-cut grip from a shop, just so you know, it seems like they don't give you very much at the end of the tail, which is weird because boards have a long range of length now and shapes. So just be careful of that. Now we're gonna have to peel the end off. All right, so you want to start with the corner, and I peel it back carefully as well. You don't want it to fold up on itself. Okay, so again, I guess as we've learned, you want to kind of take it from the outs. So you want to start in the middle. Somebody had done this video. I'm going to try this, and take your fist, take it from the center out to the edges, because you want to make sure you get it nice and smooth and hopefully free of air pockets. The next thing you want to do is take something like I have this ratchet or whatever, and you want to make a line around this. So when I go like this, it's giving you a nice fine edge. And that's one, it's going to make it easier to cut. And two, it's going to make it easier, like, just to see where you're cutting exactly. So it starts to form a nice line of exactly where it's kind of hard to see with that because it's clear, but there's a little bit of your outline. Take your razor, start at the edge. You want to start cutting off some of this grip. Alright, so the other thing you can do is if you don't have a file, you can take the extra piece of grip tape, go around the side. So, kind of do that to get a better line. Guys that can grip boards a lot faster and maybe better than I am, but that's kind of what it looks like, and it turned out really cool. I'm really happy with it. And again, it's going to be Lure Skateboards, and we're going to do a review soon of these cool decks. It's a small independent company. And that's it. So I'll see you guys later.
Nice.